channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about this product right here. So this one is MAJIREL Eye Lift by L'Oreal, and I pretty much just dye my hair with this one. I'm quite obsessed and I'm going to be reviewing it today and tell you guys all the details. Also, I'm going to be talking a bit about my hair so that you guys know the situation that I was in. And yeah, if you're interested to hear it, just keep on watching. So this is definitely not the first coloration video that I filmed on my channel, and most of my past videos are about my hair, so everything is literally documented. I will link in the eye right now the video about the coloration that I was using it before to try out this one. But basically, long story short, one day I messed it up and I left the coloration for way longer. I think it was up to like 3 hours, 2 hours, because I really wanted my roots to be blonde. And by doing that, I literally fried my hair, so like the front line was literally fucked up. And so from that point, I literally tried to take really good care of my hair. I can make an also already video talking about the product, like the hair mask or like all the products that I've been using and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna go too in deep in this video because I'm just giving you guys a bit of overview background story, if you will. So since I was trying to bring my hair back to life, I decided not to color it, not to dye it for a bit, and my roots was insane. I literally had a couple of inches of regrowth, and that just looked really bad because it was a sharp contrast between blonde and then brunette. And so I decided a couple of weeks ago to try to do a sort of balayage with a coloration that I was familiar with, which is the Custom Creme Gloss Glossy Blonde in the shade 910. And I don't know if it was because of the shade or if it was because I'm not able to do a balayage, but that didn't really work out, and I didn't really like how my hair looked afterwards, especially like the roots area. So up until yesterday, when I did this coloration, pretty much I had 3 different color in my hair. So of course I had the ends, dark blonde, then I had another color that was like this sort of beigey, brassy blonde type of thing, and then of course I had my natural color on the roots. So that was a thing. I wish I took photos of it, but it's honestly too bad to even thinking about taking pictures to show you guys. And so I felt like, you know what, I had nothing to lose, so I might as well try this one. Now keep in mind, the reason why I got this product in the first place was just because I wanted to make my hair a bit more blondish, a bit less brassier. So originally when I bought this product out of eBay, which I can definitely link it down below if you guys are interested, I just wanted to give my hair a bit of a lift, let's say. And when I'm talking about my hair, I'm talking about the length of my hair, so it was definitely not in plan to use this to do my roots. But let me say, it did kind of work. So if you see my roots now, they're like faded out in a really nice way, which I like. But at the same time, I used a 20 volume developer, and before to do this coloration I searched online and I watched a couple of videos, and people said that you're supposed to use a 30 volume developer or a 40 volume developer if you want to lift your hair up to your level. But like I said, when I originally got this product and also the developer, I just wanted to give my hair a bit of a lift, cancel any brassy tones. So actually don't really mind it because it's definitely better than it was before. I actually really like it, and I am, yes indeed, gonna try it again with a 30 volume developer because I think I'm actually switch from the coloration that I previously used to this one as a monthly based because I really like it. So like I said, this is a nail lift, so it's similar to a bleach but it's less damaging than a bleach. And if you guys have been following me for a while or like all my hair journey, you know that I do not do bleach. Like bleach is not my thing. Yes, I do have my hair pleated blonde, and you may think that I use bleach to reach this point, but I most certainly did not. I just used different coloration to get to this point, and I feel like now I'm definitely gonna switch for this one. I honestly really liked it, surprisingly enough. Also, there are different shades. The shade that I got is called HL Ash Plus, and this is definitely more like a salon professional type of color. It's not the type of color that you would find in a drugstore, but I feel like I do know quite a few things about hair. I'm definitely not professional, but I'm also not a principiant by any means, because like clearly I've done quite a few things to my hair. The consistency is quite thick, which is nice, and so when you do the mixture yourself, you're supposed to put one full tube of this one, which is 50 milliliters with 100 milliliter of the developer. So it's kind of like 1-2 portion, and different between this coloration or like this high lift and the other coloration is that not dry your hair out. So basically it's supposed to leave your hair really soft, and not gonna lie, my hair actually feels quite soft. And now I did use a mask, which is the L'Oreal Eat Mask, after I applied coloration and shampooed my hair, because I thought it was useful since, you know, my whole hair fried situation, and I quite liked it. I would really recommend that mask, and I feel like from now on, every time that I do color my hair, I'm also gonna buy that mask, and I'm also gonna do it because I really love it. I love L'Oreal overall, and I don't know, I think it helped. Also, I did straighten my hair with my new straightener. I'll leave the link of that on the eye as well. That's pretty much the overall result. I'm really happy with it. I did actually apply this in my ends as well. So basically I had a bit of product left, and I added a bit of warm water to it, and I applied it all over my length as well, and I left it last 20 minutes. I forgot to mention, you need to apply this on and leave it for 15 minutes, but like this little packet has inside the instructions, so if you decide to go ahead and buy it and do it for yourself, you do not have any problem, because everything is literally on this piece of paper, which is, yes, quite handy. And yeah, I think overall that's everything that I wanted to say. I'm really happy with this coloration. I'm really happy with the result. I am, yes indeed, gonna keep using it like I mentioned, and I'm gonna be trying the 30 volume. I may actually update you guys in the comment section if that worked out better, which I'm pretty sure it will. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about my hair. I'm honestly really obsessed with it. I really love this coloration, like I've been saying. I know that I also call it coloration. It's not really a coloration, it's more like an eye lift, and I should probably try to say high lift instead, but the whole point is that I'm really obsessed with it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what do you think. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful and if you liked it, and if you're new here, of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos coming, and most of them are regarding my hair. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.